Hey, good morning. Another beautiful day, another busy day. We're going to continue with the pump. Thank you for those who made some comment. Some of the things I need to change. I need to put a check valve in there instead of that. It was in my plan, but I don't know, for some reason I got carried away by other things and thinking it's not needed. But yeah, all the water will go back to the tank when we stop, I guess. So I will do that and remove that union because I already got one here at the top anyway. And the good thing is that I didn't have any leak at all, but that tank didn't go up to the expected pressure. So today we're gonna do that. Probably have to close that valve and let it build to 40 psi. If it doesn't, then I need to look at the pressure switch there. But anyway, let's put that check valve and do other things, and we need to mount the filter as well. The only leak I've found is here, but I didn't glue this, so it's okay. You can see the water's dirty. Anyway, let's put that check valve here first. Yeah, make sure you put the right way. This way. Yep. I hope the camera show you enough there. Yeah, I can't do much. I don't know. Sort of. Okay, done. Alright. I show my two girls. They were mucking around before.
Mommy.
Yeah, my love.
Mommy.
It's too hot to work at the back up there, so I gave up. So bad, so bad. So I'm gonna spend a couple hours at the storage room. Yeah. All I need is put that check valve in, but no, it's super hot. It's gonna be a hot day. I hope we're not gonna brown out again, suffer with that fan. Or let's do a little bit of work on the carport, so that will refresh your memories. You can see where we stand about it. We haven't done much. I got all the plywood for the walls, everything, but that's how far I want. And then I'll start on that pressure tank. Okay, this is where we stand for this storage room. But I can't put that plywood against a metal stud because the roof truss there, it's on its way. I don't know if I can show you, maybe not. So I need to move this one this way about 2-3 inches. Let's do that. Yeah, here it's nice and cool, so I will spend a couple hours. I don't want to put a tarpaulin, still hot. And I have a fan here, which is good. So nice and cool here. Okay, this wall is done. I left a bit of a gap underneath in case there's water, but this is going to be all painted white anyway. Okay, done. A few rivets because some of the screw, especially on this thing, it's not very thick. That's not very thick, so I might put a couple of rivets here and there. Okay. I won't put any plywood there yet. Just waiting to get the right paint. Need to be painted in case there's water coming in. Yeah. Anyway, let's see down where the pressure pump is and see if it's still hot up there. It's 10 AM. Probably is, but let's check. Oh yeah, it's pretty hot still. Those tools probably super hot, boiling. Yeah, let's come back later here. Let's cool down a bit. Yeah, still a lot of nice comment coming in this way, but I've been told to bolt the tank to the floor, but there's nothing to do that. And I look at all the video, all those type of tanks, I don't see anyone being bolted on the floor. I know it's probably better, but anyway, we'll worry later. I like to run this again this morning. I plugged this morning, but it's not working. Maybe because I need to prime again. Maybe some leakage here. Wow. 20 psi, 30. Okay, and the pump stop. But I got a problem here. It's leaking. So if I start this, the pump start again. I don't want to waste too much water. Okay, so I need to reset this. Wow, I have to cut it off and take out and put another piece here. I'm not sure I've got one of those again. Ew. I'll make sure I got one. It's good, it's going to 40 psi, so it's pretty good. Everything's working fine except leakage. Okay, that's alright. It's leaking on both sides, that's interesting. Maybe not, maybe just leaking here. Alright, we'll fix that. Lunchtime. Chicken adobo?
Hamonado with pineapple and potato.
Nice. Okay, I need to release the pressure here. We're back into this baby. Okay, back to the pressure pump. I need to release the pressure. Okay, do some work. Yeah, the water's clean now. It's good. I know I got some leak here, but I need a spanner to fix this. I don't know what I've done with it. I got this, but it's not enough. I need a spanner as well. So we can hold this and tie this and this. Anyway, this gotta go because this is gone, so it's gonna empty the whole tank. Okay, this filter I'm gonna assemble is the basic one. Right, the first one here. Improved color and turbidity, capable of removing suspended impurity like dust, rust, sand, and other sediment. I'm not gonna drink this water, so for now that's what I'm gonna do. If I have to add more filter, then I could do that later. No, now. We'll see how we go. I thought anyway the rainwater from the tank is quite good. It's quite good, so it's quite clear. It's just that all the rubbish coming off the pressure tank. Perhaps if you buy the same kind of tank, you may want to undo here, throw some water in there, rinse it, and then install back everything again. You probably save yourself a lot of this rubbish, see? I know this needs to be redone, so that's okay, I don't worry about. I know it's leaking. Now I need to join this end with this end here. It really stresses your back to work on the roof like this, a low roof. But everything seems to go okay, just that leak on the check valve. Yeah. So the water will come from there, up here, go into the filter system, and then in the water system of the house. Okay, we glue all that tomorrow morning. It's too wet now. Still water coming off, that's okay. Alright. That's it for today. What do you think, guys? You come and say hello. You're gonna bring me some drink? Because it's very, very hot. Daddy very thirsty. Yeah. Oh, you love me, do you? Let me see. Oh, you love me, huh? You love me? Okay. That's good. It's taking shape, guys. I know there's a few things to fix, but it's looking good. I need a shifter or something because I don't know where mine is, and I need to tighten this check valve properly, and I need a shifter. I didn't have any leakage before, but now. Anyway, tomorrow is another day. We'll continue on that. But I think I'm mastering this thing. So, guys, if you got any suggestion to do on the system I just connected, anything you want to add or whatever, please let me know. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.